Tingnan nyo ang asawa ko. Show them what you're eating for dinner.
Itlog.
Itlog, tsaka
Palaya.
yung ulam namin kaninang umaga na ang palaya. Mauna na siyang
Ang asawa
kakain.
ko guys, tingnan nyo rin ang asawa ko.
May lamb tayo. At saka yung tilapia. Magtilapia pa, hindi noy.
Hindi na.
Are you sure you're eating that? Yeah, with the pinakurat, mahal. Nakabili kami ng pinakurat. Meron na dito. Sabihan ko pala si Maricel na may pinakurat na sa Asian shop. Ang isa dito, kumakain ng ice cream. Late na po masyado ngayon. Magdalawang vlog po ako. Yung vlog namin kahapon is nagpunta tayo ng city. Kailangan na magbuhay-buhay guys. Kaya mga pang-grocery natin dyan. Kaya na si Daniel. May langgit pa siya. Ulam namin kanina umaga. Grabe no. With pinakurat pa. Paborito niya din yang ampalaya. You love ampalaya, right, mahal?
Yeah.
It's with shrimp. Sige daw, B. Show us daw, B, if you're really eating that.
Good.
Mama, sit there for
You like it? With the rice. It needs to be with the rice because it's salty. Like that. Ayan ang itlog, oh. Omelette na may
It's very
mga
nice.
lamas.
Very nice itlog. I like that one.
You can eat all the itlog if you want.
You eat that for you. Yeah. Okay, not again. Not again. Not again. Dog is the man. One more. No again. Nope. Where's the man?
Yes, Dai.
Day, may good news ako sa'yo.
Ano, Dai?
May pinakurat na. May pinakurat na sa toko.
May pinakulat na?
Di mata niya, oh. Tingnan yung nanay ko, guys. Gutom na naman. Na.
Gutom na naman! Gutom na naman!
May order dito, guys. Andito ang menu, oh. Special for tonight. Lamb chop, 15 euros. Set meal. Grabe si madam. Kaya mo yan, mang. Kaya mo yan. Meron pa tayong ulam kagabi, oh. Ano to? Yung
Adobo.
sinambuhan na adobo.
Ito mong ingredients, oh.
Gagawa daw si Itay ng
Para
stateside na fried rice.
tugma sa lamb.
Bumili po kami ng kasi, ayan, oh. Ano nga yan, Tay? Bimbaw? Bilbao, yung Chinese sausage. Bumili kami sa Asian shop. Olive oil. At first, you put the garlic. Na-late na tayo kay Sinatan. Sunod ang sibuyas. Gisa-gisa. Si Madam gabinta ng lupa. Bili na, guys! Garnet lupa!
Gasingil sila guys!
Gasingil sila, ang mga kautangan niya, gasingil.
Matakdara sa ulo.
Ang ating bilbaw. Gisa-gisa lang. May mga pa-celery. Ano pa yung ilagay niya?
Cucumber.
Naglagay ka din ng pipino? At saka carrot.
Diba? Maganda ng
Kung anong
kulay.
nakita niya sa rep ko, guys.
Maganda ng kulay, oh.
Ilagay ang shrimp. Grabe pala talaga ka-steak size yan. Kami na lang dalawa ni Itay yung kakain. Tingnan lang natin kung makaya niya ba. Lampa naman. Paborito niya yan. Naalala niya na naman ang tatay ko. Palagi niya na lang maalala. In love pa siguro.
Box tayo nito ba?
Nasa langit na. Ikaw, Tay, anong masasabi mo?
Na papa mo?
Oh.
Si Fred Will, meron kami nakaraan nun.
Alam niyo guys, Pumunta kami dun sa bahay ng papa niya. Natulog kami lahat sa isang kwarto. Dito si Arnold, dito ako, dito si Peter, dito Malawi.
Sa Rivera?
Sa bahay.
Si Weng.
Kasi ba yun? Ibigan na kami.
Best friend talaga kami no?
Pero si papa mo, pag si Arnold nakatalikod ako ganyan.
Hala ka, tay. Nagselos ka, tay.
Silos kayo ni best friend ko kaya yun.
Dahil namula na mo sa tis.
Namula ka na naman daw, tay.
Namula ka na naman dyan ah.
Gaan, nagluluto, naiinitan.
Sino mamatay?
Huy!
Magsat man kami ni Daniel ng isa.
Nakashot ng Don Papa. Lagyan dapat yan ng turmeric, tay. Para mag-yellow.
Hindi, hindi pwede lagyan itlog.
Ah, magpahilo naman dyan. Magpahilo yung toyo.
Hindi, uy, turmeric. Kanin at oyster sauce. Nawala na tayo ba? Kaya nag-usapan na naman ng ex. Nawala na tayo sa pa-cooking show. Oh, ang pinakahuli, oh. Oh. Ayan na yung tsura.
Kasi dito gagawin. Dito kasi
Wala na, nakahulog na.
si Marvin lang ang fake. Ano ba si Marvin?
Marvin Agustin?
Oo, kaya ang soap, hindi pa ano.
Tingnan nyo sinong naunang umupo sa amin, oh. Ulam po namin. Lamb at yung luto ni Itay. Kain, everyone. Kain. This is very healthy, the lamb. Tama nga siya.
Ha?
Tama.
Sarap yun.
In your fryer.
Juicy.
Yung lamb.
What you gonna do to me? What?
No, nothing.
Ay, kasi kaya maganda ko sa sabi ng tek.
Magladlad na sana.
Kamaya ako. Yung ano ni Jokoy? Ang babae daw, pag overwhelmed sa saya, oh no! Ganyan-ganyan daw sila. Oh no!
Jokoy daw, Jokoy.
Tears in my eyes!
They're going!
Ganyan daw sila, mga babae. No, I'm crying! Tapos ano daw, paning, inihipan daw yung mata para yung luha para mag-dry. Oh no! No!
English na English, English. At doon ang tatapos ang kwento. Very good. R.
Wow, very good.
Sabihin muna, R. R.
Good sound.
Good sound. Andito si Bianan, guys. Nag-tea-break na kami. Nagpasundo kami kay hindi nagamit ang bago niyang jacket. Nagpasundo kay nag-ulan.
So waren de scheepjes voorbij.
Sige nga, Tay. That's mo nga siya, Tay.
Lekker. De lopen, de Duitse, de eten, de Groningen, de Amsterdam.
You understand? Ay. Your Dutch is bad.
Grabe. Ay, binuto.
Bago matulog.
Binutong siguro.
Beer brand.
Hyper sa kanina eh.
Binuto mo, kaya hyper one ka
Now he's hungry because he moved too much.
Milk, Coke, milk.
This is that's a way.
Can you give Nathan more mahal,
to
please?
eat the how you call these? Pringles.
Namo.
Hello. Sana all. No more na. Shot.
This the very traditional Filipino drink. It's been in the ground for
Okay.
almost maybe 2 months.
Sige daw tayo, shot mo daw tayo.
Dato puti.
Wag na, oy, wag na.
Let's say.
Go, drink.
Ja, er zijn 50 pannenkoeken.
Dat is
Oh, dat
veel.
zijn nog meer pannenkoeken. Maar Sambo had 169 pannenkoeken. Want hij had heel erg honger. Welterusten, Sambo. Welterusten, Nathaniel. Kusje. Slaap zacht, lief mannetje. Geef mama maar een kusje.
Oh, mama. Oh, geen kusje voor mama. Dank je, Ben. Oh.
I have a new joke about this husband and wife. Like,
Thank you, Daniel.
Katagal lang maisip yan.
because this is gonna be Philippine language translate to English. I'm not sure if I can handle it to translate in English because my English is very expensive.
Tulog na si Nathan.
Like this husband and wife.
Text ko na lang, guys. Guys, text ko na lang, guys.
Husband and wife. The husband telling this husband and wife they took a bus to go home. like a bit far away, and then so the bus is moving, and then the husband said to the wife, "Honey," he said,
Ay, Tagalog!
"Honey, I learned this magic, when I was working in overseas." And the wife said, "Really?" "Yes." And then the
Ano, what? I don't understand.
husband
I know you did not.
because the husband telling to his wife while the bus is moving, said to his wife that, "Hon, I learned a magic, when I was working." "Ah, yeah, what's that?" In every bus who will stop, I close my eyes. I know what's the place name.
Ah.
I know the
Itagalog mo na muna tayo. Hindi ko na
Is this all?
Because the bus must be stopped every
Ay, Tagalog mo
bus
daw, Tay.
station. Because the wife is getting really mad because every stop the bus, the husband said,
No.
"Rotterdam." "Oh yeah, you're right." So move again, and then the bus stop, the bus stop again, and then the wife closed the eyes of the husband again. "What's this place?" "Amsterdam." "Oh yeah." So many bus stop. The wife very angry. So the wife, she wants to win. The husband will lose the magic. So
Then what we did? What she did? Oh. It's good, careful, see?
the wife do like to that friend. "What's this? Oh, this our place." It smell like baby shrimp.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get you. What's this place? And that's what it. "Oh, this is our place now." Uy, may bagoong na. Bahay na natin to.
Meaning the place is
Good one, Mal. Good one.
Very good one. Took a little bit long though.
Madami pa daw siyang guys. Madami pa daw siyang joke pero mahirap i-translate.
I have many jokes.
Ano pa dyan, Tay?
Nag-isip. I have last one before Bikago. There's
Why are you letting Rika go?
There's a small island only this and one coconut trees and two guys and one gay in this small island and then like this, you know, and water surrounded and very small only 3 person, 2 guys and 1 gay. And they've been there many days waiting for the help.
Nice job,
It broke.
Sina.
It broke.
And
then one day there's a, you know, genie.
Genie in the bottle.
Came
Genie in the bottle.
from the bottle.
You know the story ba?
When you do that,
You also have that,
the
Mahal,
bottle
right?
like this.
Story.
There's also a movie like that.
Genie.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a joke about it.
Like this, you know, if you touch like this, the
The
genie
will go out.
will come out.
No.
So, 3 of them, they saw the kind of ano yun, lampara,
Lamp.
lamp.
Oh yeah, I love it.
So,
Genie in the bottle.
yeah. So, 3 of them racing to get that thing. And so, 3 of them touch the lamp. You know?
I think that's my joke too. It's the same.
Yeah, I think.
So the genie came out there. Whoosh, whoo, the three thing na. Only because
All of them.
three wish and 3 of you touch me, only 1 each have wish. You first, the first guy. Oh really? Yeah. Oh please bring me back to my family. You know, I wanna go back to my family. As you wish. The genie like, shh. The guy disappeared like that. Oh, the second guy. What do you wish? And the genie like that, and then. Oh please, make me rich and lots of girls like that, you know.
And bring me back home.
Be very rich, bring me back home. And then the genie said,
That's
as you
3
wish.
wishes. That's rich and
So the
those-
gay left, you know. So 2 guys gone. You, last one, the gay.
The gay.
Oh please bring them back here.
Ah, you have the same joke, Mahal?
Yeah. I'm so lonely. Please bring my friends back.
Alam niya na, alam niya.
Same one.
I'm not good.
Dapat tanggalin. He should take off his hat, then he's like Jokoy. Jokoy. Oh. Cruise ship daw, cruise ship.
A joke about cruise ship. There's a seaman who work in the cruise ship.
And then?
Seaman, you know seaman?
Alangan, ano ba yun?
You know the seaman? Yeah! That's the joke. No.
I have joke. Three jokes.
There's a
Joke.
seaman's in this cruise ship, and then of course could be different nationality like Filipino seaman, and there's American seaman,
And then?
Dutch seaman, you know.
Okay.
There's a lot of seamen.
Three, yeah.
Oh,
So
yeah.
one day the ship's moving like that, very bad weather, and one passenger dropped to the water, like help, please help. And these 3 guys say, "Oh, you saved the girl like this." the American, me? Yeah, so you'll be hero. Okay, so the black American guy jumped.
Then?
He almost catch the girl, but the shark hit the American black guy. Oh! So he died. And then the Filipino and the Dutch guy like, you first. And then, no, you first. So I said, okay, I want to. Dutch guy like this.
English?
You want to be hero? Yeah, I want to be hero too. Yes. Okay. You go first. I kicked the Dutch guy. You go first.
And then?
That's it. Hindi kasi bakit sasagot sa laing kasi.
He's saying that's it. Different joke when you translate it in English. Parang, oh di mauna ka. Ganun. Gusto mo mag...
Bumalik na last
Take
one.
this.
Mo maging hero muna ka.
Gusto...
Same guys. Filipino. Black American guy. And Dutch guy.
No, the black American is dead already. He got eaten by the shark.
These 3 guys.
Another group.
These 3 guys.
Different room.
Because there's a big competition about who's the faster runner in the world. You know?
But
And this oval, you know? 1,000 meter. So these three guys meet each other again after that cruise ship. You okay? Yeah, I will join the fastest runner, you know. Okay. So they will fight to which one the fastest. So first that black guy, he do the position, you know. So ready,
Go.
the gun, bam, he run. But before he run, the black guy do the speed, you know.
Oh yeah.
And then running over 1,000 and then come back to the finish line. Very fast. The finish line did not.
Yeah, his feet. Kataga-taga. Late.
That's guy.
Pwede.
That's guy from Netherlands. I should beat that black guy because he run his speed, he come back finish line. So that guy, like that, he run. And then the shadow still there. We follow the guy. We come back. Look, my shadow still there.
And chase the...
And the shadow still there. Oh look, my shadow is still here. He runs. So, the Filipino guy. These two guys very fast. So the Filipino guy thinking, for Philippines, like this. So the guy, bang! What happened to you? And the Filipino guy said, I hit myself. He didn't run. But, why you hit my gun? I ran and then I hit my back.
Corny! Very corny, guys! Corny!
Good one, man. Mal, good one.
Corny! Corny! Corny!
Silang dalawa, tumakbo. Pilipino din
Oh,
tumakbo.
isa pa, last pa.
Pero natumba.
Marami pensa.
Sabi, puta, ano nangyari? Hindi ka naman tumakbo. Hindi, tumakbo ako, nabangga ko nga yung likod ko.
Ma, iba talaga pag Tagalog, no?
Natumba!
Iba talaga pag language natin pag mag-ano ka, mag-joke ka.
You know, if we are talking about this joke in our language, really funny. But it's so hard to translate in English.
Mm.
It's like,
No, it's nice. We always make those jokes.
Ano pa, timer ka pa?
Meron pa.
Galing sila.
Tatlo ulit. Last one.
Three of them again.
So they you know, they fight in that fastest runner. Then now they will join to this somewhere in Africa. The big elephant. The king wants someone can make the elephant, you know, sit. Very big. And the king said, big prices if someone can make my elephant sit. So those three guys meet the king. That's it. Black guy and king. You okay? Yeah, sure.
Not at this time.
Big elephant, big price. Black guy from America. Black guy, big.
To make the elephant sit.
Very big elephant.
They must make the elephant sit.
Elephant. The elephant just doing like this.
And then,
Guy with the black guy. I surrender. The same guy, Dutch guy from Netherlands. It is everything that they can make the elephant sit.
stone also.
You know? Then the elephant is like. The Dutch guy also tired. This guy again. The two guys said, this guy, I think he will win again. So from the Philippines. And the crowd like, boo, very small guy from the Philippines like me, you know.
Very small.
And then the elephant thinking, said, those two guys bigger than you, they cannot make me sit you. And then the elephant thinking, the guy looking at the elephant, He saw the balls of the elephant. Like this.
Huh?
And the elephant sit.
Ano daw tayo? Tagalog mo daw?
Ang balls ba?
Tinitik yung balag.
The balls.
Show me.
Ah.
No. The Philippine guy whispered the elephant.
That's the second time. The second time pa
Okay,
yan.
may second time.
May second time pa. May second.
That's part one. So the guy,
The balls.
very hard. Like,
Oh, God.
so the elephant says,
And the second
And then
part.
the second one.
So he won. Was sitting there for many years. He was standing.
Okay. Part 2 pala.
Oh, part two.
You know, then the king said, okay, someone can make stand again my elephant for second time because he's been sitting there for many years. Those three guys again there. Elephant sitting like this. That guy.
No, they make rehearse a lot, you know. And then they do a lot of things.
That guy is saying retired. And then from the Philippines, the elephant here from the Philippines because the Philippine guy hit the balls and the elephant like,
Shaking.
this the guy who break my balls.
Shaking.
Shaking. King, what? Can I have a ladder? Ladder, you know? The elephant knows that he's not gonna flick the balls again.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Climb up with the hill like this, a big elephant. And the people guys like, and the elephant like, he's like this.
What did he say? What did he say?
Huh?
What did he say to the
The
elephant?
king called the Philippine guy. You know, I'm wondering. First time you make my elephant sit. Second time, you didn't flick. What did you say to my elephant? I said, if you don't stand up, I will flick your balls again. So stand up.
Mahal, what did you notice to all the stories, Mahal? With the Dutch, the Black American, and also the Filipino.
Always the Filipino.
Always the Filipino is the best.
We tell the same stories.
There's no Filipino in our stories.
No, Belgium.
And German.
Yeah? Meron ka pa tayo?
Ha? Meron pa eh. Uwi na si Bibi.
They are standing on top of a skyscraper.
The three guys again.
Yeah. You know, but this was before they ran at the track. And they're saying like, you know, I'm so fast. No, I'm faster than you. No, I'm faster than you. Okay, prove it, you know. And the American guy is saying like, okay, I'll throw my watch and I will catch it down there, huh? So he throws his watch off the building and he starts running. And what do you know? Of course, he comes down, broken watch on the floor. Didn't work. So now the Filipino, no, I can do that. Really, I can do that. Gets his watch, throws it down.
Dutch ang ano ngayon tayo.
Trash. Broken watch on the floor. Nothing happens. Then the
Dutch ang hero, oh, Dutch.
Well, now me just left, huh? So this guy takes off his watch, throws it, and
Make slowly.
starts halfway down, like, oh, hey, there's a nice bar here. Can you have a drink for me? Yeah. Oh, and pour 2 more for my friends downstairs. Takes the tray. Goes all
I
over
never
there.
heard that story, Mahal.
Oh, here's a drink for you. Here's a drink for you. Mine's already empty. Oh, wait. Whoop! And he catches his watch.
Wow.
Wow.
And then the Filipino and American like, how did you do that? Like, oh, very easy. I just turned my watch an hour back.
Huh? Grabe naman kalalim na joke yan. Very deep joke pa.
You turn your watch, you know what?
Very first thing he asked me, he said, "So are you going to marry my granddaughter?"
Nag-iyakan na sila ni Daniel, guys. Na-miss nila si Papang Jun at saka si Mamang
What
Inday.
did you say?
No, I told him like we are dating and it's very serious and we're looking how it is, and if it's going very well then we will get married, but if not then yeah.
Actually,
maybe not,
I
like
really
that.
don't know the story of that. You went there, you know. It's like I was really shocked that you are already there. You were already there. I said, how
What?
come?
Yeah, you were like, what is this motherfucker doing to my daughter? Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I was really mad. I said,
Yeah,
know.
she was really mad.
I mean, at that point I did not know, but now I know.
Yeah, you must tell me first. Hey, I want to go visit your daughter. Yeah, at least you ask permission from me. You know, but suddenly Daniel is here.
Uy, that's yan siya, Mang. Hindi niya kailangan mag-permission sa'yo, hindi yan Pinoy.
But
Mag-permission
now
sa'yo.
I know that
Yeah.
because I know the Filipino ways
Yeah.
now. But back then, I had my Dutch culture. You don't ask the mother or the father for
It's
permission.
okay.
You just go.
It's like no regrets because my daughter is in a good hands, like
Yeah.
Metro Bank. You're in good hands with Metro Bank. Arnoldo, isa ka pa?
Tay, balik tayo sa joke mo. Kaya pala sabi niya na, bahay na natin ito kasi ang business pala nila bagoong.
Taga ano sila? Taga Batangas.
Oh.
What happened to you?
Hanggang Manila.
Hindi ba yung sa joke niya ba? Ngayon, gina-explain niya sa akin na kaya pala, nagtataka ako bakit na alam ng asawa na, ay, this is our place. Kasi pala may business sila.
Mga uyapan, mga ginamos. Alam niya, malapit na sa bahay, sa stop ng bahay niya. No? Tatawa
You're talking
niya.
about the pussy
Sabi ng
smell.
babae. Sabi ng
Then
babae.
joke?
Yung asawa ng babae, "Puta, matatalo ko nito." Gino na sa ilong ng asawa. Amoy bagoong na sa atin na to.
Because the business